Welcome to Auto Mania by CarCrest, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Here, we bring you the most detailed insights, honest reviews, and all the latest buzz from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and budget-friendly cars in Pakistan, the Suzuki Mehran 2026. While the Mehran has always been known for its simplicity and affordability, the 2026 model brings a few subtle but important changes that are worth discussing in detail. The Suzuki Mehran 2026 continues to stay true to its roots with its compact hatchback design. It's still the go-to choice for many first-time car buyers, students, and those looking for a reliable city ride. Though the overall shape remains the same, Suzuki has given it a minor facelift, with slightly refreshed headlights and a more refined grille. These changes might not seem major, but they do give the car a more modern touch while retaining its familiar look. Under the hood, the Mehran 2026 sticks with the trusted 796cc three-cylinder engine that delivers decent power for city driving. It's not a performance car by any means, but it does exactly what it's meant to do: get you from point A to B without burning a hole in your pocket. The engine remains paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, which is simple, easy to maintain, and ideal for short urban commutes. Fuel efficiency is one of the strongest points of this car, and the 2026 model maintains its reputation by delivering around 17 to 20 kilometers per liter depending on driving habits and conditions. When it comes to features, don't expect high-end tech or luxury elements. However, the 2026 version includes a few basic improvements over the previous models. You now get a slightly upgraded dashboard design, better quality materials for the seats, and improved air conditioning performance. There's also the addition of a basic infotainment system in the higher trim, allowing drivers to enjoy some audio options on the go. Safety remains very basic with seat belts and basic structural integrity, but there's still no ABS or airbags included, which might be a concern for some buyers. The ride quality of the Mehran is modest. It performs best on smooth city roads and handles well in narrow streets and tight parking spaces, which is why it continues to be popular in urban areas. Suspension is stiff, so it may feel bumpy on uneven roads or speed breakers. However, the car's compact size and light steering make it an easy and nimble drive, especially in traffic. Maintenance is one of the biggest advantages of owning a Suzuki Mehran. Spare parts are widely available and extremely affordable, and just about any mechanic in the country knows how to fix one. This makes the Mehran a smart choice for those looking for low running costs and easy upkeep. Despite being an older platform, it still holds great resale value due to its widespread use and familiarity. Overall, the Suzuki Mehran 2026 isn't about innovation or cutting-edge technology. It's about sticking to what works, offering a reliable, low-cost vehicle to the masses. If you're someone looking for a no-frills, dependable car that can get the job done without breaking the bank, the Mehran continues to be a solid contender. Thank you for watching Auto Mania by CarCrest. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more car reviews, comparisons, and automotive updates. Your support helps us bring you more great content every week.